We're at St. Lawrence Market. Well, me. I'm alone. I have no friends. Why don't I have any friends? I'm at St. Lawrence Market and it's got like a complete set of food and nuts and food and more food and flowers and goodness. Hugs. What are you doing? You're so funny.
You just want to get straight to the culprit. Yeah, it's not like yeah, you're not like, oh, you're doing great Johnson.
Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins so you can shop. I'll take one. Thanks. Not a promo. Not a promo. Friends think I'm weird for vlogging, but you know what? It's fine. And yeah, St. Lawrence Market has a lot of things from jewelry, clothing, food, baked goods, and stuff like that. And we're walking to Snakes and Lattes right now, and I bombarded a photo shoot. Yay! I really hope they tag me. They won't. Oh well, whatever. And let's get used to this. I get camera shy sometimes, you know. This bird right here has anger management issues. I'm not even joking. Oh shoot, I dropped a napkin. Watch, he's gonna come back around. Look. He's gonna like, oh, look at that. Like, you're so rude. Like, so rude. You're so fat too. Like, calm down. Nobody wants you. I know. I'm sorry for being your friend.
Further? Yeah, that's too close.
You know, I regret dating you. Yeah. I mean, I know I have my bird issues, but okay, let's not feed the bird.
Throw it at the
This guy
high schoolers.
literally has anger management issues.
Throw it at the high schoolers.
I just don't understand right now. Look, watch that bird.
It'll do its thing.
Dang, seagull. Oh, look at this pigeon. Oh, he's so cute. He's like scaring everyone. Stop.
That's his point.
No one wants to be your friend.
He doesn't need friends. He needs food.
Yeah, true. Well, that's why
bird
he's
out here.
real. That's why he's a lot bigger than the other ones. Anyways, watch this. Look at that bird. Look at the bird.